ये एक रिसेंट न्यूज़ है। मुफ्ती शाह मीर, जिसने आईएसआई को हेल्प किया था कुलभूषण यादव को किडनैप करने में बलूचिस्तान से। ही इज गॉट शॉट डेड इन बलूचिस्तान। ये मुफ्ती शाह मीर ये एक क्लिनिक की तरह काम करता था वहाँ पे एज अ कवर ऑफ ए मुफ्ती। मुफ्ती मतलब स्कॉलर। पर इसके हाथ में आपको देखने से लगेगा कि कौन से टेबल का स्कॉलर था और ये क्या सिखाता है ये सब लोगों को। तो ही वॉज अ टेररिस्ट एट द एंड। ये जमायत उलेमा इस्लाम ऐसा कुछ होगा इनका नाम। तो ही गॉट किल्ड रिसेंटली, आई थिंक फ्राइडे को। कुलभूषण यादव वही जो आई थिंक 2016 में उनका किडनैपिंग हुआ था। आईएसआई ने कहा था कि ये एक इंडियन रॉ के एजेंट है जो कि बलूचिस्तान में वो अनरेस्ट क्रिएट करने में वो हेल्प करते थे। तो अब सबके अपने अपने पॉइंट ऑफ वो है, स्टोरी का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है सबका, राइट। इंडिया बोल रहा है कि ही वाज अ बिजनेसमैन, बट ऑब्वियसली मे बी ही हैड सम कनेक्शंस। अगेन, ये ये आर्मी ही में ही थे, राइट। तो ये अब इंडिया ऑब्वियसली ये ओपनली एक्सेप्ट करेगा नहीं, राइट, कि वो उन्होंने वहाँ पे कुछ किया हुआ है। पर हाँ, अननोन गनमैन भी हम कहाँ एक्सेप्ट करते होंगे, राइट। तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये आ जाए, पर आई थिंक उसके लिए पाकिस्तान को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर देना पड़ेगा और बहुत अलग तरीके से। तो इस पे एक छोटा सा वीडियो आया था, ये भी हम लोग देख लेते हैं।
We have a big breaking story, ladies and gentlemen. A top religious scholar whose name is Mufti Shah Mir, who helped trap Kulbhushan Jadhav, who helped the ISI target Kulbhushan Jadhav in Pakistan, has been shot dead by unidentified gunmen, aka unknown men. Unknown men have shot dead Mufti Shah Mir, who helped Pakistan's ISI target Kulbhushan Jadhav, frame Kulbhushan Jadhav. He has been shot dead in Balochistan. Pakistan media had speculated. Within Pakistan, there were people and media houses who speculated his hand in helping the ISI frame Kulbhushan Jadhav, target Kulbhushan Jadhav, a charge that he denied several times. Mufti Shah had stepped out of a mosque after offering prayers, and then unknown men, quote unquote, unknown men, have shot him dead. Gursimran, my colleague, is joining us live. I want to get the details, the factual details from him, and then I'll go across also to Major General G.D. Bakshi. First up, what do we know? What do we know, Gursimran? Why is he important?
Sri Ranjan, it was outside the mosque in the Turbat area wherein Mufti Shah Mir has been shot dead. It's important to mention that there were two persons. They were on a motorcycle when they shot him dead. And if we go back to his detail, though he was living a life as a religious scholar, being disguised as a religious scholar in Pakistan now, but if we date back to the history, it was 2014 to 2016 that he was considered as the blue-eyed boy of the Pakistani intelligence agency ISI. And the operation that the ISI undertook on 3rd of March 2017, when we saw that Kulbhushan Jadhav was detained by the Pakistani authorities, terming that he has been detained from the Balochistan, but the factual details were that he was trapped in Iran and then brought to the Pakistani borders to show that the Indian intelligence agency RAW is meddling into internal affairs of the Pakistan. Though India has always maintained, India has never disowned Kulbhushan Jadhav, but they always maintained that what was the factuality. That is, Kulbhushan Jadhav was a former Navy person, and when he was detained, he was not in Pakistan's Balochistan, but was in Iran, and he was trapped. So in this entire conspiracy, Mufti Shah Mir had played a crucial role, being a blue-eyed boy of the ISI at that given time. And since that operation, we saw that for years he has been living a life so as to disassociate himself from the ISI, and also to show that he was a religious scholar, nothing more than that. But what we are getting to know that yesterday, it was when he was coming out of the mosque, he was shot dead by two unknown gunmen that were going in a bike outside the mosque in Turbat area.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक वही है, या अननोन गनमैन, आई थिंक ही इज दे आर एक्टिव अगेन। तो देखते हैं और कौन सा न्यूज़ आता है अभी रिसेंट फ्यूचर में। थैंक यू।